There's two ways to change between Fahrenheit and Celsius, either on system level or inside the weather app preferences. I'm using a Samsung tablet, so this one only has it in the app preferences. I'll show you the other options in a minute. I could tap my weather widget to go to the settings, but if you don't have a weather widget on your display, you'll quickly notice that the weather app usually isn't included in your app drawer. If that's the case, you can use the search function to open the weather app. Not sure why Samsung hides it from the app drawer, but that's how they like to do it. Inside the weather app, I can tap the locations button in the bottom left corner first, and then tap the three dots up top to go into my settings. When I get to the settings, the options to change units is the first thing on the top. Here I can change the units to Celsius, Fahrenheit, or use a hybrid setting that has Celsius, millimeters, and miles per hour for wind. While we're in the settings, there's also a toggle here that allows me to add the weather app in my app drawer for easy access. Now I can always access the app from the app drawer, or add the app icon to my home screen. If you're on a Pixel or another device, you could also change this through the regional settings on your tablet. I'll include the exact path here, so depending on your device, you can change it either in the weather app settings or in your main system settings. Each brand handles this slightly differently, and if you can't find it, you can always use the search function in your settings. Click the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.